Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out in CapCut PC. So if you want to have zoom in and out effects easily, you can just use keyframes. So let's say I'm going to zoom in first. At the start, you can just add a keyframe here under the transform. So add keyframes in here at the start of your video, and let's move the playhead. I'm going to zoom in here so you can adjust the scale and also the position. So I'm going to just adjust the scale like this to have that zoom in effects, and I'm going to zoom in on the laptop, so I'm going to adjust the position just like this. I'm going to zoom it in again, and now if you want to have zoom out effects, you can go or move the playhead again. I'm going to zoom out until here, and then you can adjust the scale and also the position again. So I'm going to go with to the original scale, which is 100%. Here I'm going to just swipe left and adjust the position again like this, and now we can get back to its original position. So now let's see the zoom in and out effect. So the first thing that it can do is have that zoom in effects, because there is keyframes here in here, and then after that it will zoom out just like that. So that's pretty easy, but I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.